Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. Before we begin, tell me in the comments which country you're watching from. If you love natural beauty remedies, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest beauty tips. Now let me ask you something. Do you have dull skin, fine lines, wrinkles, open pores, or a loss of natural glow? Have expensive creams failed to give you the results you wanted? If your answer is yes, then today's remedy could become your new favorite. Today, I'm sharing an amazing natural face mask made with Gond Kikar powder, also known as acacia gum. This simple ingredient has been used for generations to help keep the skin soft, smooth, and youthful. Here are some wonderful benefits of Gond Kikar for your skin. Helps deeply moisturize dry skin. Makes the skin feel soft and smooth. Gives a skin-tightening effect that helps reduce the appearance of fine lines. Supports the skin's natural protective barrier. Helps soothe irritated and sensitive skin. Improves overall skin texture. Helps control excess oil without making the skin dry. Rich in natural antioxidants that help protect the skin from environmental damage. Leaves your skin looking fresh, healthy, and naturally glowing. Now let's prepare this amazing face mask. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon Gond Kikar powder, 1 teaspoon rice flour, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, rose water as needed to make a smooth paste. How to prepare: add Gond Kikar powder and rice flour to a clean bowl. Now add fresh aloe vera gel. Finally, pour in a little rose water and mix everything until you get a smooth, creamy paste. Your natural skin-firming face mask is ready. How to apply: wash your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Apply an even layer of the mask to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it starts to dry, rinse it off with lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry. Finish by applying your favorite moisturizer. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. With regular use, your skin may feel softer, smoother, more hydrated, and look naturally brighter and healthier. Remember, natural remedies take time, so consistency is the key to seeing noticeable improvements. Before using this remedy for the first time, always perform a patch test to make sure it suits your skin. If you found today's beauty tip helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay beautiful, and take care.